Hello, welcome to this 3D designing course for Matrix software. So, today for the first class, I would like to tell you about this software, its introduction. Okay, this is the icon, which is Matrix 6. Okay, now here you can find the menu bar, files, to open file, save the file, import other files. Okay, second is edit, where you can undo, redo, undo multiple your work, redo multiple your work. Then some basic commands, as you all know, of course: cut, copy and paste from one objects to the one file to the other. Here is the menu for select objects. This to select all the curves, all the surfaces, all the poly surfaces which you have created in the design. Then there are some common basic commands like join, export string. These are the command menu. Here you can find its icons. Here in the curves menu, here there are surface, the solid. Similarly, the same menu, the same options you can find here. These are the menu. Here serves, curves, second, third. It's the first list, second list, third list. Surfaces. This is the first, this is the second. Okay, so here you can find all the menus as well as here. Okay, these are, this part is running. Okay, these windows, these curves, these files and these menus are all of Rhino. Okay, so there are similar commands, but there will be some changes, some variations. Okay, this full picture you can see these commands are from Matrix. Matrix is a plugins for Rhino. Rhino is the engine, and software is the engine, and Matrix is this plugins. These various other functions. Right. So these are the layers for which you can give layer to the colors, different colors to the files. Okay. So for first, we shall go for the curves menu, and here I am going to teach you the first command, is polyline. How to draw polyline. You select on the icon, start of polyline. It asks for start of polyline. Here in this you can see here, this is click blue. Blue means this is the default command. Whichever command you are using, whichever you are drawing a scheme or drawing with curve, will come into the, will be created into that similar layer on which it is clicked. Suppose you click it here, and again you take your polyline. Just go on clicking where you want. If you want to make a line of 10 mm, 10, this is 10 mm line. Then you want 20 mm, 20, and then if you want straight a line, you have to press shift. Okay, then you get straight a line. If you want straight a line in this way, so you have to shift here like this. Okay, this is simple polyline option. See, on wherever you have clicked this blue, you can see this blue background, that will be your default layer. Okay, I will use this user 2 as a default because these curves are much visible than this in the black background. Okay, now this is polyline. Next is single line. This will draw a single line. There are many types of single lines which you can draw. First I will show a normal one. We started from this position. I will tell you another thing to tell you was about these lines and these grids. This grid which you can see, the red line is the x-axis. Here you can see this is called as the x-axis. Okay, and the blue line which is going vertically is called the y-axis. Okay, in this you have to draw design into 3 axes, x, y and z. Z axis is not visible here because this is the top view. In Rhino it is called as a top view, and Matrix is called as a looking down view. This part is the, you can see here, this ring for your reference. Okay, this is the top of the ring. Any design you have to create it on looking down view. This is the top view. Okay, here through finger, this is which called as a front view. Okay, this is the side view. You can see here, this side, this is the right view, which is called also the side view, and this is perspective, which is called 3D view also. Okay, z-axis. Z-axis here is not visible. You won't keep it. You can access it as you want. Okay, but we don't usually keep it. We keep the x and y axis only. Okay. So this is about the grid. Another thing is this, every small box which you can see is every per 1 mm. Okay, 1 millimeter. This file is in mm. You can see, go to the options, go to the grid. You can see manual lines are every 1 mm. You can change it to every normal 2 mm also. Manual lines, these are now every 2 mm boxes. Normally we keep it for designing, we keep it 1 mm, and major lines are every 4 mm. These are major lines, 1 2 3 4 5, every 5 mm, 6 7 8 9 10. So you can calculate the design dimensions quickly. Okay, so these are the default settings. Grid is extends about 40 in the sense this way: 5 10 15 20 25 30 35 40. Okay, according to your design you can extend it also. Okay, as if you are having this we keep as a default 40 mm grid from all sides, from here to here, from here to here, from the center. Okay, if your design is bigger, larger, then you can extend this grid if you're making necklaces and all. Right, now coming back to our commands. Next we go for which I had told you. So here, now this point is called as 0, enter. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2. Okay, then this you can say is -1, -2. Okay, so now you click 0, now you click 5. If you do it -5, sorry, 0, enter. The length, this is asking for the length of 5. Okay, it's not asking for the point on the grid, it's asking for the length of 5. Okay, and suppose I needed 5.3. So this will be, this is 5 and this is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. Okay, because 5.5 will be here, so it is here 3. Okay, now this point we need to have pointed to -5, suppose 0, -5. You see, 0 was x-axis and -5 was y-axis. First which we type will be of x-axis, then next is -5, because this is will be complicated for you. Don't go for this, is not much use for this. For you dimensions, you can just click of the grid points. Point dimension is not required at all. 0, enter. For designing you need to just click where you want according to your design, or how much length you want. Length may be required. Okay, so length if you want 15, enter. Okay, if you want straight line, press shift, click. Again right click, you get the similar command. Again 0, enter. You want both sides, there is an option, both sides you do want lines of 15 mm. So from here to here, from center to here, you get you want total 15, so you have to type 7.5. So you get a total line of 55, 6, 7.5 and 7. This total length is 15. You can check dimensions. In the dimensions measure menu, utilities, file, view. This is also a menu part. Options, measurement, dimensions, You can check for distance or you can check for dimensions. Anyway, dimensions 15. See, when you type it here, you don't need to check dimensions. It will be perfect. The only thing is you have to check properly what you have typed in the command line. Okay. Third, next command we go for interpolate curves. Interpolate curves is now for drawing smooth lines. Any curve shape if you want to draw, you can draw it accordingly. See, right click, when you write, see, if you first take the command, then click where you want, how you want it. Okay, go on clicking. How much bigger or how much shorter? The more shorter you click, the more stating it will be tight. Okay, the more rounded you need, you can go for longer part. If you want it this long, you can go for this long. Okay, if you want it short, you can click here this way, and then you can touch this point. If it's a point, and then click it. Okay, so this is one, then this way. Okay, another, yeah, I have to not do nothing for this. One thing you can do here is you can undo. If you want to change your design, you can undo here any part. Okay, and if you want to stop here, you can just right click, it stops. Okay, this is it.